Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Connie's cooking channel. I hope everyone is having a great day. We are going to make some crazy Cajun chicken strips tonight. We're going to top it off with some special barbecue sauce. So without further ado, let's get this party started. So what we want to do first is coat our chicken with some olive oil, as such. Crazy Cajun seasoning, some garlic pepper and onion pepper, and pepper. Just like that. Oil our pan with some olive oil, and then we're going to turn our fire on medium heat to let it warm. Okay, so our frying pan is warm enough for our chicken. So we're just going to place that in there and let it start frying by itself. And like I said, we're just going to let this cook 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Once I get the complete batch done, I'll come back. Here we're taking the first batch out. Okay, while the chicken is coming to an end, we're gonna make some nice barbecue sauce over here. We have a little bit of Kansas City sweet and smoky barbecue sauce, a little of my open pit. This is why I like being in the kitchen. You can just make up stuff. A little bit of red hot. Of course, I'm gonna use some onion powder and garlic powder. I'm going to use about a tablespoon of brown sugar. I'm just going to give this a stir. I'm going to add just a little bit more of this Kansas City sweet and smoky. And a tad bit more of the open pit. Then we're going to sample it. See if we have the right taste. So let's try it. I can taste a little bit of the hot sauce. More brown sugar in there, just be on the safe side here. That's about a tablespoon and a half we used all together. Now we're going to do is let this heat up. So I just want to take the time out to show you exactly what ingredients we have used thus far in the video. We've used olive oil, onion powder, black pepper, Frank's hot sauce, this Crazy Cajun seasoning, some brown sugar. We use garlic powder, some open pit that actually has some honey flavor in it, and then our Kansas City sweet and smoky barbecue sauce as well. So the sauce, nice and warm, perfect taste. Now this is our chicken that we fried up earlier. I'm going to use the same frying pan and place the chicken back in the frying pan. As such, we're going to pour our sauce directly on top of the chicken. And then we're going to put this right back on the stove. Just enough time to heat the chicken with the sauce. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on the stove, like a low to medium heat, and then we'll come back. You definitely want to keep your eye on this. I actually have it on number 2 on my stove. Now I'm going to turn it down to low. And we're just going to continue to cook slowly. In that barbecue sauce. The sauce smells so good. You want a piece of it? The taste. Mmm. This tastes good. Mmm. I like the sauce too. I can't wait to plate it up with the beans and rice.